Callie, I know, okay? Can we just... Here. Cal, look at your pattern. Even the vet said that you were beautiful, and it got to your head, I think. One last time, okay? Fetch! Go get it, Callie. Dig for it. Bring it back. Good girl. Callie? That's right. You have just a natural instinct. You can't teach that. No. Okay? You're gonna make a good search and rescue cat one day. Callie, you're gonna save lives. I believe in you. Okay? Dig through that rubble. There might be something in there. Dig for it. Don't give up. Don't give up, baby. Okay, we can't give up. Bring it back. You found it. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Callie, that's exactly what we need. First responder cats. Okay? We're gonna make you into one. Alright? The world needs you now. Okay? Alright. God bless everyone. Stay safe.